the gesture of having it increase because kana laging kagikan pag COVID nga katong pandemic. Way back 2013, mo nga si retailer wala gid nato hilapti mo na katong pag-propose sa 2019 madugo kay to wag gid nato hilapti because we believe nga daghan yung kayo maapektahan ato, so we are very considerate regarding that. Now I also listen to the kanang mga businessman nato karon kung unsa silang gusto is that although necessary gyud si increase, in fact nangita ganing sila sa katong letter gyud ni Department of Finance nga tinuod ba gyud nga kanang we really need to increase. Maybe they're reluctant siguro, dili pa sila kampante nga kinahanglan gyud ta nga mo increase na gyud kay retrogressive ang ato increase, di man progressive. So I warag nangita sila sa atong sa Department of Finance nga memo nga o unsa man na usamis nga nung pa mo nag-increase. Isa po na sila gipangayo maybe our LG can provide to that to them. Ang ato po Madam Chair is that dugay ng panahon nga kinahanglan na kita mag-increase. Kay 2013 pagod wag ginato ilapti si retailer. And then when they had their proposal karon nga tag 200% of the 0.5 nilang i-propose, and then ato is 1.5, they suggested nga it could be possible nga to defer lang this proposed increase and allow further consultation with the business community before the passage or amendment of the revenue code, which for me, we are of a timeline na kinahanglan na ginato na i-discuss karon, so I don't think to defer the said or increase is kanapit ng necessary. Pwede siguro na nato ipadayon, but I recommend nga can we meet them halfway, like if they propose for 0.5% and we have the 1.5 increase as proposal, why not meet halfway, Madam Chair? Why not make it 0.75 or 1% just to listen to them and part of our bargaining agreement with the business sector, so that at least we could address sa ilahang mga mulo o mga recommendation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Swiss, of your manifestation. Any reaction regarding that sentiments of the business sector? Wala ba tayong mga reaction? Yes, Honorable Cypress.